yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome. It's me, Jacasey Anaki, and if you are returning, thank you for stopping by to check on your girl for another one. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a cute and simple YouTube intro using Canva. You guys really enjoyed this, seeing the content on my Snapchat, and you guys requested this video, so I decided why not to do it. So right now I'm just logging into Canva, and I went to all of my designs, and then I just picked on the intro one that I did, and then I'm just going to delete everything that I did and just start completely over from scratch. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the one that says Taylor Renee, and I actually did this intro for one of my good friends who I actually met through Snapchat, and she's about to start her own YouTube channel. So I'm going to link all of her information below, such as her social media and everything. And then I'm also going to, show you guys this video of me making her intro. And then in the next video for this week, that's also going to be dropping later on, I'm going to show you guys how I actually did her YouTube banner. So as you can see, I just basically deleted everything, and I'm starting over from scratch. And I'm starting with that initial picture, which is lavender silk. And I got this picture off of Pinterest, and I'm using it as her background. She said she wanted some lavender touches to her background, so I decided to overlay this picture on her background and then make it transparent. And right here, I'm just taking a screen recording that I recorded myself of scrolling down her Instagram timeline. We got this idea from a YouTube editor called Glam Edits here on YouTube, and she did this influencer's YouTube intro and kind of had a similar background and everything like that, and she really enjoyed it and liked it, so she requested this for her intro, and I just simply went on her profile, screen recorded it of me scrolling through it, even liking some pictures, and then I just put it on top of that original background, and then I also made it transparent. And just a quick heads up, I don't know if this does it on any Apple computers, but I have a HP. But when I usually do videos on Canva, there's always a glitch. Now, when I use it on my iPhone, I don't see as much of a glitch, but it's until I download the final project that everything looks good. And in order for me to show you guys a really good finished project without the glitch, towards the end of the video, you'll see an actual saved copy of the intro from my iPhone that I placed in the video, because trying to get it to present on Canva was just extremely difficult. As you can see right now, it is glitching in real time, and I didn't get frustrated, but it was just like, okay, is my computer lagging? Does it need to be updated or what? And then once I realized that this had happened multiple times, it was just that it lagged and it glitched a lot. So if you guys have that problem, then that's all it is. And as you can see, these pictures that I am placing on the intro right now, they did have a background, but if you download Canva Pro, you have the option to remove the background. Also, if you don't want to pay like $14.99 a month just to remove the background of a picture, you can go to removebg.com and then just upload a picture of your choice, and then it'll remove the background and you can download it. And I did all of that on my phone because when I recorded this first video, my computer was so slow and everything was just lagging behind. So most of the things I done on my phone and saved it on my phone from Canva and then uploaded it. Well, it uploaded to my computer. So you can remove your background by downloading Canva Pro or just going to removebg.com, and I will leave their website link down below so you guys can play with it and feel it out for yourself and see how much you like it. And I also want to give you guys another quick tip. You can animate anything that you want on Canva. Her two pictures, I did the rise animation, and then for the actual words on her intro, I did typewriter. If you guys didn't catch it in the last few seconds to last minute, then you will kind of catch it when I do the second part of her intro. But right now I'm just picking out the colors of the letters that I want it to be, and pretty much I use some free fonts because I don't have Canva Pro right now, but it's still so much that you can get with a free version. So I just used the fonts that she really liked, and then I made it the colors that she liked. In her bigger font where it says Taylor Renee, it is lavender, and you'll see me create their own custom color. I think I've already done it, but you saw me create that custom color, and then the rest of the wording was black, and then I just added animation to those as well. And pretty much this intro is really simple and easy to follow along with. So I'm going to try not to do as much talking, and I know that's kind of cliche because I've already done a lot of talking, but I'm trying to just go over the basic things that you guys may feel like you need to hear from this video. Then other than that, I'm just going to let you guys see me work and do whatever. And then if you also recreate this YouTube intro or something similar to it, feel free to tag me in it on any of the social medias linked down below in the description box, and I'll be happy to see you guys' work.
Drinking till the evening, I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Drinking till the evening, I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see it from me, but you never know, never know it. I'm feeling something for you. Maybe it's getting stronger, but you never know, never know. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't want another one, 'cause I really need you, baby, love me. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't want another one. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how
And here I am working on her second part of her intro, and I just basically duplicated the first part and then just deleted all the words and the other pictures. And now this is the part where I'm gonna link or put all of her social media on the screen. So that's pretty simple to watch. And then you can go to the elements on Canva and look up things like Snapchat or Instagram or subscribe button. And they literally have so many free options that you can choose from. Obviously, if you download the Canva Pro, that there are going to be many, many more options that are better, and even sometimes have animation with the Pro option, but you still get a lot of great things with the free option. And this video is not sponsored at all, so I am no way just trying to tell you guys, yeah, buy the Canva Pro just because they plugging me some money. But hey, Canva, if you see this, take me out to dinner or give me some money or something. I'm just playing, y'all. But Canva, if you do see this, hit your girl up. The email address is down below. But you get so many great options with the free version of Canva, and then there's so many, other things that you can use to edit. But Canva is like the one-stop shop. So yeah, just watch me do the second part of her intro, and then towards the end of the video you guys will see the finished product.
Drinking till the evening, I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Drinking till the evening, I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away, 'cause I can see you from me. But you never know, never know it. I'm feeling something for you. Baby, it's getting stronger. But you never know, never know it. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know the one, 'cause I really need you, baby, love me. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I really like you, don't you notice? I don't wanna know the when. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how yeah. Sorry for what I do. Sorry, but I really like you. Sorry for how
So I am done with her video and I'm just saving it right now. I chose the MP4 resolution. I always choose that resolution. It's very good quality, very great. And it just saves to either your phone or your computer. And then when you click on home, it automatically uploads to your designs. But here is the final product of the intro. And if you guys like this video, just leave a like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that bell so you don't miss any other uploads from me. And if you want more content like this, just drop a comment down below. But I'll see you in the next one.